What do you call people who just don't care about the law? Welcome back. Today, we're making the Scofflaw. Now, this drink was created in response to a naming contest in 1924, in January 1924, for those who were drinking alcohol during Prohibition. And the Scofflaw won. Now, the Scofflaw was not created in America during Prohibition. As far as anyone knows, the claim to fame actually comes from Harry's New York bar in Paris by a bartender named Jacques. Now, validity of the bartender? Not sure. But this really was someone else taking a name and basically creating a cocktail for it. It's a rather interesting cocktail. It utilizes whiskey. It could be bourbon or rye. For this, I'm going to utilize bourbon. Okay? So, I think I've had it once or twice before. It's been a while though. So, let's get into this. As I said, it's a shaken cocktail. Which of course means grab your shaker. And I need Grenadine. I'm going to utilize a Barspoon of Grenadine. This is homemade Grenadine, by the way. I'll put that over there. And I need a lemon. I'm going to slice this up. I need 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Need a dash of orange bitters. I need 1 ounce of dry vermouth. I'm using Martini and Rossi. Reason I'm using dry is because, well, it's a French style vermouth. French style vermouth typically means dry, whereas a Italian style is sweet. And now 2 ounces of whiskey. Me, as I said, I'm going to be utilizing bourbon. I'm going to utilize Old Granddad Bonded. Come on. There we go. You could use rye if you want to. Me, I'm just going to utilize bourbon because, well, why not? Okay, everyone. Ice cube in. Cocktail in. Pop. Make sure we're sealed. Good temper. Go. Okay. 10-15 seconds. Take a Nicanor. Hawthorne on. Strain. And this is a Scofflaw. Cheers. Ooh, I like that. It's a little bit dry for me. Freely admit, it's a little bit dry, but it's a nice cocktail. It's balanced. You get the whiskey, the lemon juice. The vermouth is there. It's not as bracing as other vermouth cocktails I've had, which, who knows why. Maybe I'm just getting used to vermouth, I don't know. But the lemon, the bourbon, the orange bitters help. The Grenadine is there, but it's not adding too much. Maybe go up to 1/4 ounce if you want to. It will change the color of this, depending on the Grenadine that you use. But overall, this is a pretty good cocktail, I have to say. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. When you say the barware that I use on my show, check down below. There's a link to kit.co, which has all the barware that I use in affiliate links for Amazon, which you know how that is. All my socials are also in the description below. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.